I welcome you back in one in all YouTube channel. Today, day 5 on home row. Today, I'll give you a third practice exercise on home row. You have to type the above given paragraph starting from S to LED for at least 35 times. While typing, you should avoid the use of backspace key. At the beginning, you should start typing slowly and later on you can increase your speed. Um, Whatever mistake you do while typing, you should repeat that word for a 15 time later on while typing. Also, I like to give some tips for the beginner. First, you should note down this paragraph in your notes or any book and while typing on the personal computer, or you should not look at the screen or the keyboard. You should look in the material which you are referring, for example this paragraph, and you should look at the word and type, and do not look at the screen or the keyboard. You should look only in the material which you are referring. And that's much. That's it. Thank you so much.